This is a 1941 Cadillac Convertible, and it's pretty new to this owner. It spent many years in a garage being unused. He's done quite a bit of work on it. Previously there had been some rewiring done, but this wiring under the hood looks original here, cloth covered wiring. It's the famous Cadillac flathead V8. A very quiet engine, very vibration free, powered Cadillacs for many years. There you see the chrome work and beautiful wide white tires. By this time the running boards had disappeared. This is pre-war, 1941, and the interior looks very nice. And he covered the wheel in leather. Did a nice job. Wood tone dash there. Radio, of course, and clock. Back seat. Notice the Art Deco ashtray there on the side. And there's the taillight, and underneath that taillight, you'll see in a minute, resides the gas cap. That's the first year, I believe, for that feature in Cadillac. This hasn't been a repaint. The owner worked with a clay bar and so forth, got this car shining very nicely. Okay, now we're going to see that tail light with the cover up so you could see where the gas cap fit. Car has very large fender skirts and a white top. And talking with the owner, he gets a lot of satisfaction out of working out the small problems that he's confronted with occasionally with the car. And I think that he speaks motivation for a lot of people who get cars of this vintage. They like solving problems, and surely a car this old will have some problems, and the adventuresome owner will figure out ways to get around them. Very nice car indeed.